In this video, I'm going to teach you how to zip OneDrive files. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to Microsoft.com. So from the list of their products, just locate OneDrive and you should be able to find right here this page. Into this page, proceed to click onto this create a free account. So once you have clicked on this, you can proceed to sign up directly on OneDrive. On my case, I already have an account, so let me proceed to just click onto this sign in instead. So let me head over and sign in. Now here is my files folder on my OneDrive. So in order to zip some OneDrive files, you can head over and do so right here. For example, let's choose right here these two files. And you can see right here that we don't have the zip option. Even if you click onto these three dots, it will only allow you to edit tags. So what we can do is we need to access it directly from our PC. So head over to your File Explorer. Make sure as well that you are signed in onto the same account that you have on your online OneDrive as well as your offline OneDrive right here on your PC. I have the same account right here, so it will reflect the same files. Now let's actually select these three files. Then from in there, right click. And after that, it will show me this option to compress. Click onto this compress and choose zip file. And after that, they should be able to compress these files directly. So as you can see here is this. So let's just name it compress. So proceed to name it and then this will sync. And once it's synced, it should be able to appear right here into your actual OneDrive. As you can see, here it is right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything you need to know with OneDrive.